Hi, this is Jason. Thanks for watching my DVD of the Asimo presentation, which was presented at Georgia Tech on September 25th.
At Georgia Tech to introduce all of you to an amazing technological achievement. So, when you think about robots, you might think of sci-fi robots like RoboCop or Rosie the Robot, or even real-life robots, BattleBots, the Mars rovers. But whatever the image, robots have clearly captured the human imagination and have inspired scientists and engineers for a long, long time. And perhaps some of you will even be inspired by what you see here today. So, let's get started.
For centuries, human achievement and scientific innovation have been sparked by the power of dreams. Robots have long been an integral part of those dreams. But what exactly are robots, and why do they continue to fascinate us? The idea goes back thousands of years to the ancient Egyptians and Greeks who created talking statues with magical qualities to help serve and protect them. Over the centuries, people were inspired to create an endless stream of ingenious inventions and mechanical devices that mimicked human life. As technology continued to advance, so did the robot's place in our collective imaginations, inspiring an extraordinary world of fantasy and make-believe. Today, in the real world, the world of science and technology, engineers have designed robots to perform a variety of tasks, work with extraordinary precision, carry out dangerous missions, help explore distant planets, even serve as a pet or companion. In addition, research scientists have been working to integrate flexible precision movement and advanced computer technology to create the next generation of robots. Those that can recognize images, feel objects, communicate more intelligently, and move with greater mobility. For nearly 2 decades, Honda engineers have been dedicated to this task, combining digital technology with mechanical engineering to capture the complexities and intricacies of human movement. Over time, a number of early two-legged experimental models and a series of more sophisticated human-like prototypes have transformed into the world's most advanced step in innovative mobility. A testament to the power of dreams and the world's most advanced humanoid robot. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the most advanced step in innovative mobility, Asimo.
Hello, Asimo. It's nice to see you.
Nice to see
these people what you can do?
Of course. I'm a very capable humanoid robot. How can I help you?
Well, not only are you very capable, you're also quite famous. You've traveled all over the world, you've met with royalty and heads of state, visited Disney World, been on the Today Show a couple of times. I just saw you on CNN this week. And, oh, have you seen this particular clip?
Andy Asimo for Backing. I have been sent from Japan to serve as your personal robot. You, my robot? Yes, I will be your new best friend. Oh, wow!
Ah, so you're becoming quite the celebrity. No offense, but if it weren't for Honda engineers, you wouldn't be the robot you are today. And you may be wondering why Honda committed so much time and engineering talent to developing Asimo. Well, Honda has always been a mobility company, and in that spirit, Honda created Asimo to assist people who lack full mobility. Now, although the possible uses for a robot like Asimo are limitless, Asimo's development has been primarily geared towards helping all kinds of people, like the elderly or those assigned to beds or wheelchairs. Now, you also may be wondering why Asimo looks like this. Well, the robot's size, shape, weight, and design are all very deliberate, because all of these things work together to help make Asimo useful and helpful to human beings. I'll show you an example. Now, when I sit in this chair, or if I were sitting on a bed or in a wheelchair, you can see that Asimo's camera eyes and my eyes are at the same level. It's very easy for us to communicate. In fact, if you look up at the big screen, you see Asimo's looking at me. Hi, Asimo.
Hello, Claire.
Oh, now Asimo's looking at all of you. Everybody wave hello to Asimo.
Hello, everyone.
Now, we have all grown up watching robots on TV and in movies, and they do some pretty remarkable things. Some glide along on wheels, some project holographic images, and some even fly. But that's just science fiction. Asimo is the product of real sciences, including physics, anatomy, mathematics, computer science, chemistry, mechanical and electrical engineering. Now, specialists from all of these sciences work together to help create this incredible piece of technology. And these specialists design Asimo to operate in our world. And that's a world where we need to reach for things, or pick things up, navigate along floors or sidewalks, even climb stairs. That's why Asimo has 2 arms and 2 legs, and is what we call a humanoid robot. And at 4 feet tall, Asimo is the perfect size for flipping light switches on and off, opening and closing doors, working at tables, or moving things around inside a house. And when it comes to working easily and efficiently in our world, it all naturally begins with the ability to walk like a human. Now, if you stop to think about it, walking is actually pretty complicated. I mean, with each step we take, our brain has to send countless signals at lightning speed through our nervous system to the muscles, tendons, and ligaments inside of our legs, hips, arms, shoulders, all which have to move in sync just to maintain our balance. Well, Asimo does something very similar, but in a mechanical sense. Asimo uses an accelerator sensor and a gyroscope located here in its midsection below its battery to help maintain balance when leaning or walking. And a 6-axis force sensor located in each ankle measures the force of impact of Asimo's feet as it walks. All the information generated by these sensors must be relayed instantaneously to Asimo's central processing unit, or CPU, located here in Asimo's backpack. The CPU instantly processes this new information, then sends signals to 26 separate servo motors located in Asimo's neck and arms and legs, all which function much like human joints. Once these servo motors carry out a command, like stepping forward, information is instantly relayed back to the CPU to make sure the command was executed correctly. Now, all of this information exchange has to be accomplished within milliseconds, or Asimo would lose its balance and fall over. That's why it's so hard for Asimo, or any of us for that matter, to maintain balance when we walk. Let's take a look.
simple tentative steps, and maintaining balance was a trial and error process. As with anything new, there were challenges along the way, but Honda engineers learned from each new challenge and kept improving with each new robot. After all, if at first you don't succeed, then try again. Finally, these first generation robots, known as the E-Series, were able to walk reliably. They were able to make their way up and down stairs, but they could only walk in a straight line, at a fixed speed, and on a flat surface. These first steps in the engineering of how to walk were just the beginning.
In order for Asimo to effectively navigate our world, the ability to simply walk is not enough. That's why Asimo is equipped with Honda's intelligent walking technology, known as iWalk, which allows Asimo to walk at varying speeds. Asimo can speed up, and Asimo can slow down. In fact, Asimo is the only humanoid robot in the world that can not only take steps forward, but also backwards as well. Constantly adjusting its center of gravity with each and every step, just like humans. Honda engineers were even able to create mathematical walking algorithms that give Asimo the ability to sidestep. Asimo can do this continually, on a curve or in a straight line, which, when you think about it, is a pretty good skill to have in trying to navigate some of those tight spots around the house. Now, developing Asimo to this level took extensive research and endeavor. So let's take a look at some of the challenges Honda engineers faced to accomplish this important breakthrough in mechanical walking.
Once the mechanics of simple straight line walking were mastered, the next task was to add the ability to make turns and change direction, as shown here by the robot named P2. Very slow changes of direction became possible, but this required coming to a full stop, then slowly pivoting in place, stopping again, and then continuing to walk in a new straight line on a flat surface. The next generation robot, P3, was slightly more advanced, but still made turns in this less than human-like way. Eventually, however, more advanced prototypes became capable of dynamic walking, maintaining balance and stability while changing direction, even on uneven surfaces.
Asimo's ability to walk and maintain balance even while changing directions is known as prediction and movement control, which Asimo will now demonstrate. Now, while making these types of turns, Asimo plans its next move, almost like thinking ahead, then immediately adjusts its balance for a smooth change of direction, all without missing a beat. And while doing all this, Asimo can still freely move its arms and gesture without disrupting its walk. But that's just a small sample of some of Asimo's amazing capabilities. For instance, Asimo can balance on one foot. Now, while this may look relatively easy, know that Asimo is constantly adjusting 26 separate servo motors, balancing and counterbalancing, continuously analyzing data from all of its sensors and motors. Certainly not an easy thing to do for an extended period of time, even for some of us. That was terrific, Asimo, as usual. Thank you very much. Well, no university visit would be complete without a pop quiz. So at this time, I would like to call the volunteers we picked before the show to come on up on stage here. Everyone, let's have a nice round of applause for our volunteers. Thanks very much for coming up here. We're going to have a little bit of fun up here. We're going to have an Asimo quiz. I'm going to start out by asking you guys some multiple choice questions. We'll see if you've really been paying attention. All right? Before we get started, hold on just 1 second here. Hey, Asimo. Now, I know how much you like to help people, but this is a quiz, okay? So, no coaching.
Okay, no coaching.
We'll see about that. All right, we're going to get started. We're going to make you contestant number 1 because you're right here. So, hi, what's your name?
Ronald.
Hi, Ronald. How you doing?
Good.
Good. What are you studying here at Sept?
Mechanical engineering.
Oh, okay. So you probably know a lot about robots. This should be a no-brainer for you, right?
Sure.
I will see how Ronald does. You ready? Here we go with question number 1. Can you tell me, what were the names of the 2 humanoid robots that Honda created before Asimo? I'll give you 3 choices, okay? Were they R2 and D2? M7 and M8? Or P2 and P3? What was that?
P2 and P3.
He knows it's exactly right. P2 and P3 is right. Congratulations. The P, by the way, stands for prototype. So Ron, congratulations. I'm going to have you jump to the back of the line there, have contestant number 2 step right up. Ron, you can jump right over that side. There we go. Hi there, what's your name?
My name is Joe.
Hi, Joe, and where are you from?
I'm from Daytona Beach, Florida.
All right, and what are you studying?
I'm studying civil engineering.
Civil engineering. Well, that's great. Well, thank you for being here today. You all ready for your question? All right, let's see how Joe does. Question number 2. Can you tell me, what does the acronym Asimo stand for? Now, I'll give you 3 choices. Does it stand for Artificial Systems and Intelligent Movement? What do you look at here? Asimo! No coaching. Yeah. All right, here, I'll give you a second choice. Does Asimo stand for Advanced Step and Innovative Mobility? Or does Asimo stand for Adorably Sweet Intelligent Movie Star? B. Yeah, Advanced Step and Innovative Mobility. That is the right answer. Nice work. Round of applause there. Congratulations. Now, back in line. Just number 3, step right up. Hi there, how are you?
I'm Tallulah Passing.
Hi, Tallulah. You having a good time today?
Yeah.
Learning a little bit about Asimo? All right. Well, we're going to see if you've been paying attention. Give you a really tough question. Ready? Okay, ready? What's my name?
Blair.
Oh, very good. Nice work. All right, I'm not going to let you get off that easy. All right, a little tougher question. Ready? All right, can you tell me, how many servo motors does Asimo have? I'll give you 3 choices. Okay, 22 servo motors, 24 servo motors, or 26 servo motors. What do you think? 26, you know, congratulations, that's right. Nice work. Big round of applause here. Nice work. 26 servo motors Asimo does have. Asimo has 2 in its neck, and 6 in each arm, and 6 in each leg. So congratulations. So all of you guys answered the questions correctly, and that means we've got a tie. So we have to break the tie by moving on to round 2. And that, of course, would be the dance competition. Look at the excitement up here. All right, now that's going to be a lot of fun. I mean, Asimo is going to show us some cool dance moves, and you guys are just going to have to follow along.
Oh my God.
And this is great. It helps demonstrate Asimo's remarkable balance and smooth motion. As far as their balance motion goes, I don't know. We'll see. All right, so dancers are ready. You guys stay right there. Hey, Asimo. Now, I know you have traveled all over the world. Is that right?
That's right.
I bet you picked up some pretty interesting dance moves in your travels.
Yes, I did.
All right, well, how about starting us out by showing us a little something you learned in Hawaii? There it is. I was doing a little circle. You guys can follow along. You guys are learning to swing. Let's hit swing like palm trees. Look at these dancers go. Nice work. Good job right there. Oh, nice work, everyone. Let's hear it for our dancers. You guys did so well. I think we're ready for something a little more difficult. Asimo, what's next on your dance card?
How about a disco dance? Over Jungle Volta.
Sounds good to me. Asimo, hit! Oh yeah, let's see what you got. Let's now, let's see what you got it all. Disco dance with Asimo. Give me some encouragement, audience. Let me get through it. All right. Nice job, dancer. guys answered all the questions. You danced very well. And so the other thing we'll have to do is to pick today's winner. I don't know, Asimo, what do you think?
That's a tough choice.
It is. It's a very tough choice. And you know what? You guys did so well and you're such great sports. I say we have Asimo gifts for everybody. What do you think? Thanks so much for coming up and having me Asimo on its toes. Nice work, Asimo. Well, as you can see, Asimo walks, talks, and dances with style and grace, but Asimo is just getting warmed up. Asimo has something very special to show you now. Something that is made possible by combining all of its onboard technologies. This is Asimo's most challenging maneuver, the ability to climb a set of stairs with smoothness and precision. It's the culmination of nearly 2 decades of research and endeavor. It is truly an historic step forward in human technological progress. Now, to perform this feat, Asimo pauses momentarily at the base of the stairs to adjust position by reading a mark on the floor. Asimo, are you ready?
I am ready.
Okay then, go for it. Asimo climbs the stairs by detecting and maintaining the right position. With each step, Asimo must adapt, constantly in counterbalance, using all of its sensors and motors to remain upright all along the way to the top. Way to go, Asimo! You thought that was impressive. It takes even more balance and precision to make it back down. We're ready when you are. When Asimo detects the right position by using its cameras, it descends the stairs, continually adjusting itself as necessary with each and every step, all the way to the bottom. Outstanding, Asimo! Asimo is the only humanoid robot in the world that can climb a set of stairs like this, and that's so important because in a world full of high curves and uneven surfaces, obstacles, and stairways, this ability is absolutely necessary for Asimo to effectively navigate and to help human beings. Well, as you can imagine, it has taken teams of highly skilled engineers to develop Asimo. And actually, it's interesting to note that since Honda first began its humanoid robotics program in 1986, almost all of the members of the development team have not come from the traditional field of robotics. Instead, many have come with diverse experience in Honda's racing program, automobile design, even aeronautical engineering. But all of these scientists do have one thing in common: curiosity, and a challenging spirit to accomplish that which has never been done before. Asimo is the result of all of their hard work. Now, in addition to these dedicated engineers, it takes a talented team of robot operators to demonstrate Asimo. Now, all of Asimo's movements in today's demonstration have been initiated wirelessly from backstage by a robot operator using a laptop interface or a portable controller unit. But it's very important to understand that after an initial movement command is given by an operator, all of the calculations necessary to carry out that command are performed internally by Asimo itself. So whether walking, balancing, or even climbing stairs, Asimo calculates and controls all of its own movements using its onboard processors and software. Now, currently, Asimo's real intelligence lies in its ability to instantaneously perform complex human-like maneuvers. And while Asimo was never designed to be completely autonomous, Honda is developing new technologies that allow the robot to receive data and react to its environment in a logical way without the aid of a computer operator. In fact, Asimo has been enhanced with new and ever more advanced technologies like digital mapping, and face, voice, and posture recognition. These features allow Asimo to function more independently in a home environment. Now, currently, these technologies require certain environmental conditions to perform optimally and have been fine-tuned for a home environment, which includes close walls and specific lighting. And since our stage environment is very different from what Asimo would encounter in a home, we've prepared a short video to help demonstrate some of these newest intelligence technologies. Let's take a look. While
human-like mobility is extremely important, it's just one key aspect of Asimo's continuous development. To assist in the home, Asimo must also be able to take direction from the people it's helping.
Hello, Asimo. I'm Sarah.
Hello. I'll memorize your face. Please stand still for a moment and look at me.
Facial recognition is one of Asimo's most sophisticated new capabilities.
I now memorize your face.
Hey, Asimo, what's up? I'm Michael.
Hello. Please stand still for a moment and look at me.
For Asimo to recognize someone, that person must first stand in front of the robot's camera, while Asimo takes digital photos capturing a series of facial images.
I now memorize your face.
These images are then programmed into Asimo's database and digitally linked to the person's name. So when that person gives Asimo a good look at his or her face, Asimo reads the facial topography and bone structure and matches that image with the stored computer data.
Michael. Hello.
Hey, Asimo.
Sarah. Hello.
Hey, Asimo.
Sarah. Let's shake hands.
Asimo can respond to certain physical gestures as well as various questions.
Hi, Asimo. What does Asimo stand for?
My name stands for Advanced Step in Creative Mobility.
How fast can you walk?
I can walk about 1 mile per hour.
Cool. Hey, Asimo, can you come over here, please?
Where shall I go?
Go to where I'm pointing.
Okay. I can see where you are pointing. I'll go there. I've arrived at the place I was instructed to go.
Hello, Asimo.
Sarah. Hello. Can I help you?
Follow me.
Asimo can also follow people, tracking them wherever they go. Whether they move forward or backward, Asimo moves in sync, maintaining a constant distance.
Stop, Asimo.
Stopping.
Excellent. Asimo, go to point number 2.
One of Asimo's most impressive technologies is its ability to automatically recognize when someone's crossing its path. When Asimo's camera sense these movements,
Oh, hey, Asimo.
Asimo stops
Oh, excuse me.
and waits for the path to clear before continuing. When you combine dynamic movement with the ability to recognize faces and respond to physical and verbal commands, it's easy to imagine how Asimo will be a most valuable player helping around the house.
You know, Asimo makes it all look so easy, but developing Asimo was and is an incredible scientific challenge. Years ago, the complexity of a robot like Asimo was practically unthinkable. But today, what was once considered science fiction is quickly becoming a reality. Researchers are now developing robots with enough hand control to perform intricate household tasks like cracking an egg. Scientists are building robots that can interpret three-dimensional visual information to achieve a very human-like hand-eye coordination. These robots can successfully maneuver around complex, changing environments, even read our facial expressions and respond to them. So, where do we go from here? Well, today Asimo serves as a tour guide at some science museums in Japan and as a greeter at some high-tech companies. But in the future, well, a humanoid robot like Asimo might someday serve as another pair of eyes, ears, hands, or legs for all kinds of people in need.
Thanks, Asimo. You're welcome.
Performing the kind of routine tasks to make all of our lives that much easier.
Excuse me. It is 5 o'clock. Time to take your medication.
Thank you, Asimo.
You're welcome.
Would you please go online and give me tomorrow's forecast?
Yes, I will go online.
Asimo's wireless networking capabilities, plus its ability to react to its environment in an intelligent way, are critical to Asimo's future role as a helper around the home.
Mostly sunny with a high of 68 degrees.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
And someday, Asimo may do work that's dangerous for humans, like fighting fires or working in unhealthy environments cleaning up toxic spills. But wherever Asimo goes from here, one thing is certain. Today, Asimo is the most advanced step in innovative mobility.
Thank you very much.
And thank you, Asimo, for being here with us today.
It's been a pleasure.
More about Asimo or about the science or history behind the humanoid robotics program, please visit our website at asimo.honda.com. And if any of you have questions today, a Honda representative will be available in the Richards Gallery at the entrance to the First Center to speak with you after the demonstration. We also have a representative from Honda who will be happy to answer any questions you may have about career opportunities at Honda. So everyone, once again, let's hear